Golden milk recipe for fair and glowing skin. Ayurveda emphasizes internal nourishment for radiant skin. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: turmeric, haldi, detoxifies and brightens the skin from within. Saffron, kesar, enhances skin tone and improves complexion. Almond powder, rich in vitamin E for skin nourishment. Milk, hydrates and soothes. Honey, acts as a natural hydrator and sweetener. Preparation: heat 1 cup of milk until warm but not boiling. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of saffron strands. Stir in 1 teaspoon of almond powder. Sweeten with 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well. Pour into a cup and drink warm, preferably before bedtime. Benefits: turmeric reduces inflammation and promotes even skin tone. Saffron improves skin brightness and reduces pigmentation. Almonds provide essential nutrients like vitamin E for skin health. Milk contains lactic acid, which aids in skin hydration and exfoliation. Consume this drink daily or at least 4 to 5 times a week for visible results over time. This Ayurvedic remedy not only enhances your skin's glow, but also promotes overall health and wellness. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your girls.